Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for Alishes hair. I am going to be reviewing some bundles and a closure from them. I did go ahead and make this wig myself and I did style it as well today with you guys. But anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how to get the most out of your closure units. So a lot of us, most of the time when we get a closure unit, we wear it in a middle part, you know, sleek, really straight, maybe sometimes curl it, maybe crimp it or something like that. But today I wanted to show you guys a different way to style your closure units so that way you can get a little bit more use out of it. Maybe you're tired of styling it the same way all of the time like me. If you guys really like this look and you guys want to know how to like revamp your closure unit, then definitely continue watching this video.
To sit down, this may take a while. See this girl, she sorta looks just like you. She even smiles just the way you do. So innocent she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you, but you remind me of a girl that I was with. See, I'm missing ever. I look at you, this is why I just can't get with you. Thought that she was the one for me.
I really freaking love how my hair came out. The only thing that I'm missing is like some cute little earrings or something, but like this is so freaking cute. It's just really basic. I am going to, and then look how natural like this looks. Like this closure looks so freaking natural. Like the way that I bleached it, and I did pluck this closure. I do want to throw that out there. I didn't just bleach it and just throw it on. Like I bleached it and I plucked it, so that's why it looks a lot more natural, and it's just like perfect like all the way through. Like even going back, like I made sure that I made like a curved part, and I really try to do my best like to make this closure work for like a side part. I gotta put some earrings on. I wanted to find like a cute top or something too to like throw on real quick for y'all, so let me see about that. Okay you guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Like I freaking love the way this closure came out. This is my first time working with this company, and they are definitely up there. I am very impressed with the quality of this hair. From the closure, like the closure alone was like giving me very much so like transparent vibes, like before I even did anything to it. Like you guys saw like how see-through the lace was, like when I was showing you guys like how I like pre-plucked the hairline or whatever. Highly recommended. If you were thinking about purchasing this hair, do it. If you wanted to, if you had like little like hairpins or something, you could put some hairpins in here. You can put them on this side, like put a bunch right here and just have like this little piece going back. You could do a lot with this. I really do like this hair, you guys. This is so cute. Like this is just like another way to just style your closure units, because I mean, a closure is such a small amount of lace room, and you really don't have that much, like you really can't do that much with it. But this is something that maybe you can try out. I don't know if you already put your wigs like on the side like how I did, and then you create these parts, you can do it like that. But I really like the little baby hair that I made. I kind of wish I have some going this way. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this company, but yeah, shout out to them for sending over this hair. I really do like it. Like it's so cute. This is like perfect. Like you can't tell me I'm not a bad one with my hair like this, like period. And then it's like nice and long in the back. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really like this closure tutorial. I just wanted to give you guys another way to style your closure units. If you're like me and you're just like really over wearing your closure in that doggone middle part with the baby hair swoops, then definitely try this out next and just see, like, you know, how you feel about it. You don't have to curl it. If you wanted to, you can leave it straight. You can do like even tighter curls. You can do wand curls with this. It's a lot of different things you can do, and it'll really like switch up the look. Today I did a barrel curl using a Conair 1 1/4 inch iron. I bought this from Walmart years ago, you guys, for like $20, but you can pick stuff like this up at Ulta, Sally's, your local beauty supply store. Any hair store will have hot tools is what they call them, and you guys can definitely pick this up. You just want to make sure you get one that is ceramic and also 1 1/4 inch. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to also leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.